Involving citizens from the start of a research project really helps to align research with what communities actually need. When people are engaged in co-creating solutions, the outcomes aren't just more innovative, they are also more practical and grounded in real-life challenges. It also means we are thinking about how to implement the solutions right from the beginning, which makes a real difference in achieving impact. Another key benefit is that it opens up the research project. By including citizens and stakeholders early on, science becomes accessible and inclusive. It builds transparency, fosters a sense of ownership, and promotes trust and equity. Ultimately, this approach leads to better, more sustainable solutions that truly reflect the people they are meant to serve. To actively engage citizens and stakeholders in research, we recognize that researchers need a different set of skills than those used in traditional research. And that's why the ENTR-e-novators project includes a dedicated work package on citizen engagement with a strong focus on building these engagement competences. We developed a Training for Engagement Competences toolkit, which includes interactive games to help researchers identify key citizen science principles, understand the different levels of engagement, and assess their own engagement skills. To support this, we also created a framework that outlines 8 categories of engagement strategies. From this, we developed the maturity model that allows researchers to map their own skills from junior to citizen scientist across these 8 categories. It's a practical way to see where your strengths lie and where there's room for growth. And because citizen science is inherently transdisciplinary, we don't expect one person to master everything. It's especially useful to do this as a team exercise to identify any skill gaps and build a more balanced collaborative approach. One of the main lessons we've learned is that citizen scientists are essential partners in modern research. They bring fresh perspectives, help scale up data collection, and make research more inclusive and locally relevant. Their involvement not only boosts scientific literacy and trust in science, but it also allows underrepresented groups to actively participate in knowledge creation. That said, fostering citizen engagement isn't without any challenges. It takes time to build trust, to establish a community, and to maintain meaningful participation. And that effort is often underestimated and underfunded. Unlike traditional research or industry partnerships, citizen science projects can struggle to attract funding, especially since the returns aren't always measured in monetary terms. In Work Package 5, we explored creative ways to address this by mapping potential sources of support, what we call engagement angels, who can sponsor or facilitate citizen participation. These could be public institutions, media outlets, or community organizations that see the long-term value of this work. And it's not always about money. Visibility, media coverage, and community support can also go a long way in sustaining a project. If we truly believe in the value of citizen science for society, for our regions, we need to get better at recognizing and valuing all the benefits it brings, even those that can't be easily quantified. Work Package 5 aligns closely with the long-term goals of UDRES by supporting the scaling of citizen science from local initiative to international collaborations across the Alliance. UDRES focuses on human-centered innovation to foster smart and sustainable regional development, and Work Package 5 contributes by ensuring that citizen science projects are both locally relevant and globally adaptable. By promoting the exchange of best practices, tools, and methodologies among member institutions, Work Package 5 helps to create a shared foundation for interregional collaboration. This enables successful projects to be transferred across different cultural and regional contexts, engaging more citizens, and addressing a broader range of challenges. In this way, Work Package 5 plays a key role in helping UDRES grow citizen science into a truly international, community-driven movement. To strengthen cooperation and impact in the future, universities need to align their research more closely with real societal challenges, whether global, national, or local. By focusing on areas like health, sustainability, and technology, research becomes relevant and impactful. Collaboration with stakeholders from industry, government, and communities is key to ensuring that outcomes are practical and widely applicable. Another important strategy is translating research into real-world solutions. This can happen through commercialization, technology transfer, or spin-offs that drive innovation and economic growth. At the same time, engaging the public through citizen science and effective science communication helps to build trust, increase visibility, and ensure that research truly benefits society as a whole.